Tesla shares slump, the shocking reasons behind the decline. Tesla's shares took a staggering 9% dive recently, shaking investor confidence. This massive drop pushed the company's valuation below the $1 trillion mark. The reason? A dramatic and unexpected decline in European and UK sales and growing competition in the electric vehicle market. In January, Tesla's sales in Europe and the UK plummeted by nearly 50%. For a region embracing electric vehicles, this decline caught many off guard. While EV demand grows, Tesla is struggling to hold its ground against rivals offering better features and competitive prices. Tesla is no longer the only EV giant. Companies like China's BYD are disrupting the market, offering high-quality vehicles at attractive prices. Their advanced features and affordability are drawing customers, making it harder for Tesla to maintain its dominance in the global EV game. Elon Musk's political controversies may be alienating Tesla customers. Some environmentally and socially conscious buyers are turning away in protest. Musk's actions are sparking debates, and many wonder if his behavior is tarnishing Tesla's brand in Europe and beyond. Tesla's troubles go beyond Europe. Rising interest rates, potential tariff increases, and global market uncertainties are adding pressure to the company. This isn't just a Tesla story, it's a reality check for the entire EV sector as it grapples with economic volatility on a global scale. Despite the challenges, Tesla is a trailblazer with unmatched innovation. Can it regain its position in Europe? The key lies in combating competition and restoring consumer trust. Tesla must rethink pricing strategies and customer engagement to thrive in an increasingly crowded EV market. Tesla's setback is reshaping the EV industry. Whether you're a Tesla fan, investor, or industry watcher, these shifts matter. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on Tesla's journey and the future of electric vehicles.